Parallel parking is the primary reason for driving test failures. For new drivers, it represents a significant source of stress during the examination and in daily city driving. You don't need to rely on luck or intuition to get this right. In the next few minutes, we will walk through a universal 5-step reference system designed to position your car within a legal distance from the curb consistently. First, you need a suitable space. Look for a gap that is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Before you begin, adjust your side mirrors so you can see your rear tires, and always activate your right turn signal to alert other drivers. To monitor your progress and receive real-time coaching while you practice, tools like the DriversCoach app can provide structured guidance to help manage your preparation. Mastering this system replaces uncertainty with a series of predictable physical markers. It transforms a difficult maneuver into a repeatable sequence of specific movements. Step 1 is the setup. Pull forward until you are parallel with the vehicle you intend to park behind. Lateral spacing is vital. Maintain roughly 2 to 3 feet of distance between your car and the parked one. Next, check longitudinal alignment. Match your side mirrors, or if the vehicles are different lengths, ensure a line connecting the rear bumpers is straight. With your position set, shift the car into reverse immediately. This activates your backup lights, signaling your intent to everyone around you. If you start too close or misalign your bumpers at this stage, you risk hitting the other car or the curb during the turn. This initial geometry is the foundation of the entire move. For step 2, turn your steering wheel completely to the right until it locks. This is often called full right lock. Before you move, perform a full 360-degree observation of your surroundings and begin reversing at a slow crawl. Monitor your left side mirror as you move. Stop the car when both headlights of the vehicle parked behind you are fully visible. Seeing both headlights confirms that your car is now at a 45-degree angle relative to the curb. This angle is the key to the maneuver. It allows the rear of your car to enter the space deeply enough to clear the vehicle in front while leaving room to straighten out. In step 3, you need to straighten your wheels. Turn the steering wheel back toward the left, usually about 1.5 turns, until the tires are pointing straight. Continue reversing straight back into the parking spot. Now shift your focus to the right side of your vehicle. You need to watch your passenger side window and your right side mirror. Stop reversing the instant your right side mirror aligns with the rear tail light of the vehicle beside you. This marker ensures the front of your car has moved past the rear of the parked car, providing the clearance needed for the final turn. Reaching this specific depth is the most effective way to prevent front-end collisions. It ensures you aren't turning too early and avoids ending up too far away from the curb. For step 4, turn your steering wheel completely to the left, or full left lock. Resume reversing slowly. At this steering angle, the front of your car will swing into the space toward the curb. Look at your right side mirror to track your rear tire. You want to see it move close to the curb without touching it. Check your rearview mirror frequently to manage the distance between you and the car behind. Stop once your car is parallel with the curb and aligned with the parking lines. Step 5 is about finalizing your position. Straighten your wheels, shift into drive, and move forward slightly so there is an even amount of space in front and behind you. Complete the process by shifting into park and engaging the emergency brake. By following these objective physical points, you navigate the car into position using a structured method rather than relying on guesswork. When you exit the vehicle, you should see that your car is within the legal distance of 6 to 9 inches from the curb. During your road test, if you feel the tire tap the curb, stay calm. This is usually not an automatic fail. Simply pull forward, adjust your angle, and try again. To practice these steps and build your confidence before the big day, the DriversCoach app offers a variety of training tools. Use the app's dashcam feature to record your practice drives, review performance with an AI coach, and follow specialized lessons like Parking Made Easy. Reducing anxiety comes from having a reliable plan and getting accurate feedback. Download DriversCoach at the link in the description to start practicing these steps and prepare for your road test.